It's a great pleasure to introduce Professor Rajendra Kumar, who has joined us at IIT as a colleague. Welcome, Rajendra, to the department. Rajendra, could you tell us a bit about your background? Where did you do your PhD? Where did you work before you joined us, etc.?
Thank you, Ashish. So, before coming to IIT Delhi, I was a postdoctoral fellow at Weizmann Institute of Science in Israel. And even before that, I was a postdoctoral fellow at Center for Quantum Technologies in Singapore. And before that, I completed my PhD under the joint degree program of IIT Kanpur and National University of Singapore back in 2021.
I see, I see. So, Rajendra, you work in an area for which I have zero background, but infinite interest, infinite excitement, which is quantum computing. So, could you tell us a bit? I'm really curious to know what kind of research you have done in quantum computing.
Yeah. So my primary area of research is on lattices and
I
their
see.
application in computer science.
Okay.
And more specifically, I try to analyze the security of lattice-based crypto systems.
Mm-hmm.
And how it connects to quantum is lattice-based crypto systems are the most promising candidate for providing post-quantum security.
Mm-hmm.
So that's where we require tools like quantum computing, fine-grained complexity, all these things to understand their security against a quantum adversary.
I see. Oh, so you mean to say that things like RSA, etc., can easily be broken using quantum computers, but we do believe that lattice-based problems are indeed hard even with quantum computers. Okay, that sounds interesting. So, Rajendra, what do you plan to do in the next couple of years as a part of research? What kind of problems are you planning to solve?
Yeah. So first of all, the area which I'm working on lattices, I will continue like to work on lattices.
Okay.
And other than this, I would like to like I'm exploring this big area of quantum algorithms and quantum fine-grained complexity, where
Okay.
we are looking at quantum computers as a positive side and
Mm-hmm.
try to find faster algorithms. But we would also like to understand the limitation of quantum computers. What are the tasks we can do from quantum computers, and what are the limitations? Can we get something better than a specific bound or not?
Mm-hmm.
So this is one more area. And one more thing which is more interested with respect to practice is what we can do from our current quantum computers.
Mm-hmm.
We call current quantum computers as NISQ systems,
Mm-hmm.
noisy intermediate scale quantum systems, and we don't even understand what are the useful tasks we can do out of them.
I see. I see. So, how do you see the field progressing in the next couple of years, specifically in India? Do you see a reasonable quantum computer being built?
So about building quantum computer, I don't think anyone can answer this thing very
Okay.
certainly,
Mm-hmm.
because these things depends on many factors, and most of the progress is required from designing quantum computers, which depends on how good hardware we can develop of quantum computers.
Mm-hmm.
So I can say there is a possibility, if I look ahead in 20-30 years, there is a possibility we can build a quantum computer. But
Mm-hmm.
how good it will be, like how many qubits, like we measure the size of quantum computers from a qubit.
Mm-hmm.
So how big it will be, that is very hard to say. My guess will be somewhere in 1,000 qubits in next
I
one
see.
to 2 decades.
I see. I see. So, Rajendra, I'm sure you know that we have a lot of very super smart students here at IITD who are looking forward to collaborate with you, who are looking forward to work under your supervision. For their benefit, could you tell us what kind of a background or what kind of skills do you expect from them?
Yeah. So for them to work in the area I'm working on, I think they need to have a basic knowledge of algorithms and
Okay.
linear algebra. These are the two things they must know.
Mhm.
And other than this, everything is optional. If they have a knowledge of quantum computing, cryptography, or any other stuff from computer science, that's optional. Even if they don't know, we can learn this thing on a requirement basis.
Okay, okay. Rajendra, thanks a lot for taking time out for this conversation with me, and welcome once again to CIC IITD.
Thank you.